What are you doing?
I'm making spiral test poster.
I have a method you haven't seen. Come here, I will teach you. Be optimistic. Rectangle tool to draw a square. Then copy one. Proportional reduction. Rotate. Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus C. Repeat the transformation and done. Do not blink. Let's add a little changes in operation so that your design will be unique. First, fill the canvas with the finished image. Copy a layer and rotate the image at an angle to make it richer. Group the two layers. Add a gradient overlay and select the gradient color that you like. We input 3 paragraphs using perspective and deformation in free transformation to deform each paragraph so that it is embedded in the graphics. And a filter. Move the aperture in the canvas and it's done. It's better to practice it yourself than watch the video 1,000 times.
I need to matte a glass bottle. It's too easy.
How silly you are. You've matten down the background. Let me have a try. First, use the pen tool to matten the glass bottle. Then copy 2 layers. Remove the color. Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus 2. Extract the highlight. Copy it. Close the color map. Click the cup layer. Add a mask. And wipe the background with a black brush so that the transparent glass bottle is removed. I'm just asking you to put a background on the character. Why is it taking you so long?
Both. I can't draw.
Who told you to draw? Get out of the way. Let me show you a little trick. First, click Sharpen in the filter. Smart Sharpening. You can refer to my numbers here. And find the stylization in the filter. The diffusion. Choose the opposite sex. Then click Filter. Filter Library. Select the woodcut effect. Now the texture of the image comes out. Then click Ctrl plus U to bring the saturation up a little bit. Finally, add a character. That's how it works.
Do you think my lipstick beautiful?
That looks like too fake. Get up and let me do it. First of all, we use a lasso tool to select the outline of lips. Create a new layer. Add a color. Click Filter Blur Gallery and filter the blur. Pull the slider and use eraser to erase the redundant parts. Then change the normal mode to multiply and double click the layer. Press and hold Alt key to drag slider, then the lipstick will be colored.
Come here, how to cartoon into Sketch.
That's easy. First, Ctrl plus J to copy a layer, Ctrl plus Shift plus U to remove the color, then copy a layer. Ctrl plus L to reverse it. Set the blending mode to color dot. Finally, click Filter. Other minimum, choose 2 pixels. The sketch would be done.
When dimming the girl in the backlight, we usually just use the curve to lighten it up, but we found that it's not working well. The right way is Ctrl-Alt-2 to bring up bloom in the picture. Ctrl-J copying it and change the blending mode to filter. Still not bright enough? You can also copy a few more layers and the fill will come off.
Hey boss, what's up?
Captain America will report in tomorrow. Make a badge for him before you leave.
It's okay. Show the subject first. Ctrl-J to copy that. Then drag it over the badge. Create a clean mask. And stamp it. So the badge is ready. I want to put this guy's face on his. How can I do that?
It's not hard, let me teach you. Open the image and use the lasso tool. To select the face we want to change. Ctrl plus J to copy a layer and move the layer to the surface of the character we want to change. Ctrl plus T, transform to make a resize. Adjust to a proper size. Click Enter. Select image, adjust, match color. Select the current file as the source. Click on Neutralize, push the fade to right. Adjust fade, brightness and color intensity to bring the face closer to the color of the current image. Confirm it, hold down Ctrl and click on the thumbnail of layer 1 to get the face selection. Click Select, Modify, Shrink. Change the shrink age to 20 and confirm. Hide the face layer. Select the bottom layer. Click Delete to to delete the face. Ctrl plus D to deselect. Light up layer 1. We selected both layers and use the Edit Auto Blend layer. Use the blend mode of panorama image and confirm so that we have made the face change.
What are you doing, bro?
My client asked me to change it to this color, but I don't know how to do this.
That's so easy. First, use the Quick Select tool to frame the object. Ctrl plus J to copy it and add a curve. Cut and paste it in the picture. The red curve goes up, the blue curve goes down. Then, the effect is completed.
The boss wants you to change this beauty's clothes.
That's so easy. Let me show you. Use the pen tool to dig out the clothing area patiently. After that, click Ctrl plus Enter to load the selection. Click Ctrl plus J to copy it. Drag in the pattern you like. Adjust the size. Right-click to create a clipping mask. Finally, change the blending mode to multiply, so that she have put on the new clothes.
Come here, I will give you 10 seconds to add the bubble effect to this picture.
No problem, boss. First, use the elliptical marquee tool to draw a perfect circle. Click Alt plus Delete to fill it with white. Right-click either 50 pixels. Then press the Delete key to delete it and select the white brush to paint 2 highlights. Then, draw a perfect circle with the elliptical marquee tool. Click Alt plus Delete to fill it with gray. Click the filter Pixelate, color halftone and confirm. Then click the filler Distortion, Spherize. Number is 30. Again, click the filler Blur, Gaussian Blur. A number of 35 will be fine. Finally, change the blending mode to Soft Light so that the bubble effect is completed. Come on, let me teach you something advanced. Fluttering effect that only skilled people can master. I only teach once, so focus on me. Let's type some words first. Make some typesetting. Draw some lines with black brush. The black lines are used for displays. Click the filter Distortion Replacement. Then rasterize the text layer. Makes words weird, transforming the smart object, the filter liquefy, so that you will get the fluttering effect. This is so weird. I drag the image in, create a clipping mask, but the image just doesn't fit.
That's because you have missing a crucial step. First, you need to select the crystal. Ctrl plus J to copy that. Dragging a picture of a beauty, hold down Alternate to create the clipping mask. You see a girl melting to the crystal. Blend mode to soft light.
Why have you been watching this mangosteen?
The boss asked me to use mangosteen to make a cool poster. I'm very troubled.
Don't worry, I will teach you. Focus. First, drag in the mangosteen material. Adjust the size and position. Ctrl plus E to merge layers. Perform a filter. Stylus protrusion depth. Size to 5, depth to 255. Check. Then, use the Magic Wand tool to delete the background. Adjust size and position again. Fill it with a red background at the end. So, a poster like this is completed. Have you got it? Do it again. What I want is colorful black. Is it punk? Yeah, it is. Okay, arrange it. We click Ctrl plus J to copy a layer. Double-click to open the layer style. Cancel. Channel R. Confirm. Move the arrow keys to the left. Ctrl plus J to duplicate several layers. Create a new layer. Pull a gradient. Change the blend mode to overlay. Find the filter stylus. Wind. Get it.
My boss asked me to make this text segmentation effect, but I can't do that. What to do?
Never mind, I will teach you. That's easy. First, type in the text. Right-click to rasterize the text. Frame the text part with the marquee tool. Ctrl plus Shift plus J to split the text. Move the text. Frame the divided section with the rectangular marquee. Choose the background layer. Ctrl plus J to copy a layer. Double-click to duplicate the layer and add a drop shadow. Adjustment parameters. Right-click to rasterize the layer style. Add a mask. Erase the excess with the black brush. Move the text layer below the mask layer, and the effect is completed.
Come on, let me teach you a really good way to turn on the lights today. The center is the brightest, so create a new layer. Draw the color of light in the lamp with a brush. Change the blending mode to color dodge. The light comes out, open the blending option, uncheck transparent shape layer, the light is on. Draw a circle around with a brush. Change the blending mode to color dodge. Open the blending option, uncheck transparent shape layer. Such light is real and natural. Have you got it?